Okay, now let's start the DeepSeek local deployment tutorial. First, copy and open the web page I sent you. Copy. Then paste it into Google Chrome. Go to this web page. Okay, that was about the introduction to DeepSeek. Here. This is a local deployment tutorial for DeepSeek. First. There's a video link here that you need to watch first, and I'll upload it later. Okay, the first step is to download Euler. Click on this web page. Just log in to download. Check your system. If you're on Windows, just download Windows. Okay. Yeah, you can download now. Hold on a moment, it will be ready soon. Okay, the download is complete. Just a moment. The download is done, let's install. Just keep clicking install, it will be on the C drive by default. Let's wait a bit for the installation to finish. Alright. This is during the installation. Let me tell everyone. Once the program is installed, you cannot open it directly, we need to use this. Open it in the command prompt. What do we type in the search bar? Type CMD to open the command prompt. Oh, just a moment. It's almost installed. If you encounter this issue, just say to allow all operations for this program. Okay, let's type this now. There is a tutorial here that explains it. Search and enter CMD to open the command prompt. Alright, we type Alima and hit enter. Okay, let's start the installation tutorial. Here, we need to enter a character. There are 5 options. Just choose one. How do we pick among these 5? It depends on your setup. The performance of your computer's GPU. For example, the 1.5B is the smallest model. It requires about 1 GB. The 7B and 14B models are larger, needing around 10 GB. So how do we choose the version based on our computer's performance? There's a guide below. The first one, the 1.5B, is suitable for integrated and low-end GPUs. The memory should be between 1 GB and 4 GB. Yes, if you have enough memory. If it's below 1 GB or so. Below 4. That's right. This is roughly the range. Well, for the 7B, your GPU needs 8 GB of memory, which means you'll need a dedicated graphics card. Oh, I forgot to mention, the 1.5B model is suitable for ultrabooks, not gaming laptops, but for ultrabooks and office laptops. These have lower graphics performance. Use this model for lower memory. Next, we have the 8G7B model. It requires 8G. Your GPU needs 8 GB, which means you need a dedicated graphics card. For example, if you have an NVIDIA RTX 3070, it can work with 8G. You can check your graphics card's specifications. Your memory must be at least 8 gigabytes. The 8B model is similar to the 7B model. Your GPU memory should also exceed 8 gigabytes. The next is the 14B model, which is larger and demands more from your computer's GPU. Your GPU memory needs to be 16 gigabytes, like a mid to high-end NVIDIA RTX 3080 or 4080. Otherwise, if you exceed your memory, it will run out of VRAM, and you won't be able to use the software. The highest is 24 gigabytes, which is for top-tier GPUs. The 4090 and 5090 are rarely used. Larger models make AI smarter, however. This local deployment can connect to the internet, and that doesn't significantly affect it. Okay, let's take an example and run this directly. Assuming you're a lightweight laptop, if the office laptop has poor performance, we'll just copy the code here, open the command prompt, paste it, and hit enter to start the installation. Oh, just a moment. Look at this progress bar, it's starting to download, and the speed is on the right. Oh, because this model is relatively small, the download speed is pretty fast, it should be done in about 1 or 2 minutes. Oh, there's a tutorial here. It shows you how to operate. After watching the video, everyone can follow the images. That's all you need to do. Just follow the instructions in the pictures. Let's take a look, the installation is almost done. Alright, the download is complete. Let's start the installation. Okay, the installation is complete. We see the send message option. We can actually start using it. For instance, if I type hello, it will start chatting with me. Of course, it might not be convenient to use like this. By the way, how are you? People definitely don't like using this interface. It's very inconvenient, so we need a plugin. The plugin is here, in this document. Just add the Page Assist plugin by copying this URL. Open it in Chrome. Open Chrome. Paste it. As long as we can access the Chrome store, just wait a moment, the data is a bit slow. Hold on, let's switch a node. Okay, now let's type this, Page Assist. Enter page list. Search and open it. On Page Assist, click Add to Chrome. Add it to our extension. He wants to download something. Okay. This is how it installs, but note that you won't see it here. I have an explanation here. After adding, we need to display it like in the picture and fix it here. Let me do that. Click here. Then select Fix so you can use it directly in Chrome later. Now click Inside. Alright. Now we are on its page, and we can just select the model. We've already installed this model, so it will recognize it automatically. Let's give it a try. Great, the installation is successful, and it works perfectly. So we can. The DeepL signature is ready, the 2.11.5b model. It can connect to the internet and it'll perform better. I can't connect to the internet because I'm in my country. You can use it online in Malaysia. Alright, that's it for this tutorial.